Hey, how's it going? This is Amit here and welcome to my Trafficly review video. Now I'm here inside in the members area of Trafficly, and during this review I will be giving you a full run through of this web-based app. Now in a nutshell, Trafficly, as I told you, is a web-based app. It has a lot of tools. Now first of all, what it does is that it fetches or it steals contents from other people's website. So if I just go to campaigns, you just have to paste the URL of any web page here and it will fetch the content, and it has few other features also that I will be walking you through. Now if this is something which is interesting to you, then stick with me. I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who would like to pick this up via my link, which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. Now if you click that link, it's going to take you to my bonus page for Trafficly, which looks like this. Now first of all, Trafficly is going live today, that is on 11th January 9 AM Eastern. So mark your calendars, put a reminder on your phone, and that is when the buttons on my bonus page will be clickable. So you want to come to my bonus page as of 9 AM Eastern on 11th January, that is today, and you want to click any of these yellowish buttons which say click here to claim your copy and bonuses. That will take you to the sales page of Trafficly, and from here you can pick this up by clicking this pinkish button which says get instant access to Trafficly. Right, so the first bonus that I'm going to give you is Set and Forget. Now this is a product launched by Brendan Mace, and it is a very recent product and very relevant. So let me show you how this web-based app looks like. So once you log into the system, you have campaigns. So inside the campaign, you can create a campaign. You have done for you campaigns already ready to blast. So you can see that you can create campaigns based on different niches. All you need to do is just name this campaign, put your ClickBank affiliate ID, and that is it, and you click on save and publish. And the best part of this app is that you don't have to get any traffic. It creates automatic traffic. So let me show you. Once I go to manage your campaigns, then you will see here, if I just shift this here, yes, if I shift this here, then I have created a campaign and it is automatically creating traffic for me. So today itself I created this campaign, and the best part is that once you click stop, it will stop the traffic. So that is how you can create your campaign in Set and Forget, and this is the best way of making passive commissions online. So this is what I'm going to give you. Second bonus is access 12 done for you campaigns ready to earn commissions. I'm going to give you 12 very high converting campaigns which is done for you. You don't have to do anything. You just have to change your affiliate link inside that campaign, and you just need to send traffic. And I'm also giving you bonuses related to traffic. So this is a really amazing bonuses as you might be a newbie. So I thought that if I give you done for you campaigns, then it will massively save you a lot of time and you can earn commissions very, very quickly. Now the third bonus that I'm going to give you is access high ticket training. Now the reason why I'm giving you this is you cannot become rich by earning $10 or $12 commissions or selling $10 $20 product. It doesn't happen that way. The way you become rich in online marketing or in affiliate marketing is by selling high ticket products. Now this is a really good high ticket training video that's going to show you how you can sell any high ticket product, and it includes the step-by-step training, and it is 100% newbie friendly. So this is something that you should get your hands on. Next bonus is access resale rights to top 50 Warrior Plus products. I'm going to give you licensed rights for top 50 Warrior Plus product. That means you can get 100% commissions throughout the funnel for these 50 products, and all these are very high converting top products. Next bonus is white label rights to 6 softwares. The softwares are done for you bonus page generator, Scratch and Get Super Promotion, done for you thumbnail generator, done for you social image generator, done for you simple ad generator, done for you logo generator. Now these softwares have costed me a lot, and I'm giving you all these 6 softwares absolutely for free. So there are 3 ways you can use this. First of all, you can have this for your personal use. Second of all, you can sell this to make passive commissions online, and thirdly, you can give these 6 softwares as a bonus. Next is access 30 high quality bonuses. Click here to now I cannot go through all the 30 softwares right now or all the 30 products here. In order to see what are all these bonuses, you need to click on this graphic that will take you to a page where you can just discover all these 30 bonuses on your own. Next is Google Ads retargeting code. Now the reason I'm giving you this course is because I'm giving you done for you campaigns here. So this is done for you campaign. All you need to do is just send traffic to. Now Google Ads training is going to show you how you can send traffic to that page and how you can get paid. And I have also included the retargeting course, so when somebody lands on that on your bonus page, and if he or she does not buy the product, then also you can retarget them with the same offer. Now the next bonus is Bing Ads code. Now this is also a really amazing way of getting some quality traffic to your offer. This is not as good as Google Ads, but the fact that it is quite cheaper than Google Ads, that is why people prefer using Bing Ads a lot. Next is all vendor special bonuses. I'm also going to give you the bonuses that vendor has given me to give it to you. So the first bonus is 99 plus transparent PNG images, 125 niche headers collection, stock images free, Pinterest Canva templates, Facebook marketing secrets. So you're gonna get all these 5 bonuses plus the bonuses on my bonus page, and I have also included few more extra bonuses for you. 2020 done for you campaigns, 5 done for you high ticket digital coaching program, $1,000 commission video, $1,000 per day autopilot, and I'll be adding few more bonuses, so make sure you check out this page. Now again, a reminder, I'm giving you 3 days to pick this up. After that all my bonuses will expire, and that is something which I don't want you to miss out on, because I have spent a lot of time creating this custom bonuses for you. Now once you have picked up Traffically via my link, and in order to access my bonuses, all you need to do is go to Warrior Plus purchase history, click on the name of the product which will be Traffically. That will take you to this page, which will be your receipt for Traffically, and you will click this blue button which says access affiliate bonus, and all my bonuses will be instantly delivered to you completely free of charge. That is how you access my bonuses. Alright, so let me take you to the sales page. Finally, the ultimate traffic magnet for 2021 and beyond. Brand new technology drives autopilot social buyer traffic in 60 seconds. The most powerful traffic app with zero tech or marketing skills. Autopilot viral traffic in 60 seconds. Free traffic from 50 plus sources in one click. Perfect for 2021 and beyond. No technical skills or experience required. Get paid for every single click multiple times daily. Free traffic included with training included, 24/7 live chat support, 30-day risk-free guarantee. And if you like to pick this up, then all you need to do is click this pink button which says get instant access to Traffically, and you will be able to purchase this product. Now they have posted few screenshot earning proofs and testimonials in this video, in the sales page. I cannot go through the whole sales page because it takes a lot of time, but what you need to do is once you come here, just go through the sales page in your own spare time and just discover the things on your own. And if you really like this, then you can pick this product up by clicking any of the pink buttons down here. I'll just quickly take you inside the members area. As soon as you come here, then all you need to do is, first of all, you can set your campaign, you can set your accounts from here by clicking your account on top. So once you click on your account, you can just choose your username, password, and the basic stuff. And once you go to dashboard, you will see the number of posts that you have created and how your posts have been performing recently. So if you go to campaign, now once you come here, all you need to do is you just need to paste the URL of any website from which or from where you want the content to be fetched. So I'll just I had this URL, so I'll just use this URL which is from my website. I'll just click on fetch, and as soon as I click it, it will start fetching all the contents from this page. And you can see here it has literally fetched all the contents that I had in my website or in this page. So all you need to do is just give it a title, and you can also customize this according to your need. You can bold certain things, you can put this in italics, and you can even insert some links. And once you just give this a title, I'll just give this New Year Profit Bot. And you also need to choose an image here, choose an image, upload it from your computer, and just fill this captcha, which is 9 + 4 13, and just click on submit post, and the post will be submitted. And you can also see how your post looks like. So you need to click on view post, and as soon as you click view post, you can see here this is how your post looks like. You can make this look more interesting and more sophisticated in your spare time. And you can also share your post to all these different sites. As you can see here, they have got 40 different sites where you can basically post your, I think it's more than 40, where you can share your content in one click in order to get instant traffic to your offers, which is really cool. So this is what this feature is all about. The next will be image editor. Image editor is all about editing an image. You can make an image look more professional by editing it here. And the next feature is URL shortener, where you can shorten your URL. The next is software training. So as soon as you buy the product, then all you need to do is go and attend these training videos and watch all these training videos. That will massively help you in getting started with Traffically. Next is exclusive training that will help you in promoting your affiliate offers. And the next is upgrades. If you haven't picked up the upgrades, then you can pick it up from here. Next is bonuses. You can claim your bonuses from here. And the next is support. If you have any doubts related to this product, you can get in touch with them and they will help you out. So this is what Traffic is all about. Now let me tell you more about the prices and upsells of Traffically. For that, you need to come to my bonus page. So the front end price of Traffically is only $17, and you're getting drive automated laser targeted traffic from 50 plus social media sites in next 60 seconds to any blog or website with no monthly fees ever and no need for domain and hosting. So this is the best part. You are not paying monthly fees, and second of all, you don't need any hosting and domain because you are using their server to post your blog post. And you can go through all these features in your spare time. Next is OTO1 Traffically Unlimited. Unlock unlimited features to get max traffic, sales and profits with just the push of a button. Next is OTO2 Traffically Pro, which is for $47. Get 300% more traffic and sales faster and easier with zero tech hassles ever. Next is OTO3 Traffically Done For You, $197. Upgrade to Traffically Done For You edition to get 500% more sales, traffic and profits without any expense, fees or anything yourself. OTO4 is reseller rights for $97. Basically, you can sell this whole product and you can keep 100% commissions throughout the funnel. And you can also go through some of the benefits that I have laid down here. And I have also put together a demo video for you that you can watch as to how Traffically actually works. Okay, so this brings us to the end of our Traffically review video, and I've also told you about my bonuses. So feel free to shop around and see what other affiliates are giving. You can always come to my bonus page and shop via my link when you know that my bonuses are way more better and way more congruent than what other affiliates are giving. Alright, so if you really want to pick this up, then all you need to do is get yourself to my bonus page by clicking the link in the description of this YouTube video which says get Traffically plus my bonuses. That will take you to my bonus page, and on my bonus page all you need to do is click any of these orange button which say click here to claim your copy and your bonuses. That will take you to the sales page of Traffically, and from here you can pick this up by clicking any of these pink buttons as you can see here. So you can also claim your $3 discount. All you need to do is come to the sales page by clicking any of the buttons on my bonus page, and as soon as you go to close this page down, then this pop-up will appear where you can claim your $3 discount. But remember, you need to claim all my bonuses before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because when it does, all my bonuses will expire, and that is something which I don't want you to miss out on. Once again, a reminder, Traffically is going live today, that is on 9 AM Eastern, so make sure that you are very early to my bonus page. This brings us to the end of our Traffically review video. So thank you for watching my Traffically review video, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care, bye.